Okay, it's welcome to our How to Get Started page, and what we're going to do is give you a brief rundown of what's included in the course and what you expect to get at the outcome. So the whole idea of this course is to help you get started to create an additional stream of income using the power of the internet. Now there are a few things that need to actually be set up in order to make this happen. And for example, we've got a list here that gives you a good indication of the components that you need to set up, and we have got detailed drop down information on each of these and videos and workbooks and so forth to help you get through this as easy and as quickly as possible. This probably looks like it's a lot of work, but if you actually follow the instructions, you'll probably find that within 3 to 4 hours you actually have a website set up. And then you just rinse and repeat and keep doing that and build up multiple streams of income. So let's have a look at a couple of these in a little bit more detail, and then as you get into the course you'll actually find that you get a bigger and better understanding of what's actually involved. The first thing we obviously need to do is decide on what kind of product or what area you're going to venture into. For example, if you're looking in the make money online niche, then you'd probably look at some form of domain name with those words included in the domain. So the first thing we need to do is actually register a domain. The next thing you actually have to have is a hosting account. And the hosting account is really a server or an internet-based PC, so to speak, where they actually hold your web page so that the world can actually see it. So you need to set up a hosting account and then get your web page established on that account, and then viewers can obviously see that. We also need to create an autoresponder. Now an autoresponder is really the guts behind all of this, because what it does is it takes people's emails, puts them into a list for you, and then sends them out regular emails on a regular basis so that it keeps them involved with you and helps to build that trust, and then hopefully helps them to spend some money with you. So the autoresponder is really very important. The next thing we need to do is to research and find a product that has a market, because no matter what you think will sell, that may not be the case. So we need to research what people are actually buying right now, and then grab some of that product or some of that market and start promoting to it. The best way of doing it is to offer some kind of a freebie. It's the same reason that you came to this site, because what we're doing here is this instruction that we're giving now is free. So we're giving you a lot of information, and it's valuable and practical information to help you get started. So we're giving you a freebie to hopefully build a trust with you so that you understand that what I'm telling you is fact, and that you will eventually spend some money with us. Not asking for money right now. We're going to give you a lot more free information that will help you understand what's involved, and then we will actually invite you into our unique elite mastermind forum that will help you get there quicker. But for now, all of this is free. So you need to create a landing page, and the landing page is really, that's where you capture the person's email. The same way when you came to our first page, all we asked for was your email to get access, and once we have your email, then we'll start sending you more information on a regular basis. And if you decide that some of the information is relevant to you and you want to dive in further, then there'll be an opportunity for you to spend money with us. And that's the same that we're promoting for you. So you do exactly like we do. You actually follow our example and build that income stream. Start building your list. Again, that is all about the landing page and the autoresponder, and they all work hand in hand to help you build a list of prospective clients that you can hopefully market to and encourage them to spend some money with you. That will in turn create your income stream. Now, I'm not going to go through all of these products in this introduction, but what I will do is I'll give you an example of how we actually drill down and look at each component within each of these, because some of them have got a lot of components underneath each of these options, and some have just got one or two. But for example, if you want to register a domain name and you don't know how to, then what we do is we'll actually tell you how to select a registrar. And the registrar is actually the person that license or can issue a domain name to you on a yearly or bi-yearly basis or whatever. And there are a variety of those around. There's GoDaddy, and we in Australia I use Crazy Domains because it's very economical and the service is excellent. You obviously need to select a domain name, and I will fix that spelling up on the next edition of this video. And you also need to register that domain name, and then you need to change the name server details. And we get into that in more details with a full-fledged video, and hopefully this gives you an idea of what's involved. If you would like more information, you'll be receiving emails over the next few days from us, and that will give you the links that you need to click on to get further details and take you to the next level. Hopefully this was helpful and will encourage you to build that income stream on the internet.